Here we are, Roger that USA, Jay Strells, again narrating this next video on the Scout roof rack awning. It is a discontinued product. I wonder why. Horrible. I got what I paid for. It's my own fault. It is what it is. So if you ever run into a Scout roof rack awning, just know what you're going to get yourself into. So it looks mounted upside down. That's because the bag was sewn onto the actual, it was mounted onto the mounts and sewn to the awning itself upside down, which leaves the zipper on the upside, allowing the rain to get in. Wasn't exactly waterproof. It seemed like a good quality product coming out of the box. And then I mounted it, realized it's upside down. Next thing you know, we're swimming. So this was an Amazon product. It was $200 at the time. It's been discontinued. I looked into it. You can get similar stuff for, $200, $250. You want to get some good stuff, get a bat wing, you're up a couple $100. You get what you pay for. It was a cool color. I liked it. We'll add some fun music here. It's about a 2-minute setup. So rolling it out, it does come out the correct way. The bag is what was mounted and installed upside down. Decently simple design. Get some locking fittings on the poles that you unlock. It extends them, you lock them into place, they'll hit the ground. Same thing with the ones on the horizontal coming out from the vehicle. Some locking fittings, you'll push them into the end portions and lock them into place. Velcro and you're done. So here's what the bag looks like on the inside. You get some clips in there to hold it once it's all rolled up. Those poles tuck into the metal tracks. Here's those locking fittings we were talking about. You can see they insert into the metal frame, then you lock it into place. So I think we've taken this out of the bag maybe 3 times. You can see it's digging itself a little track there. Some holes are generating. Haven't caught it on a rainy day to see how bad it really is, but it doesn't look like it's going to do much. But it gives some decent shade. I like the color, the whole sand thing. So now here's the mounts. Right here, I had to custom drill this into the rack to prevent it from sagging downward. The weight was naturally bringing this down towards the doors. You could hit your head every time you're coming into the vehicle. The way these mounts are, I think it's designed more for those type of bike rack things that come on, like maybe some Subarus and things like that. Not designed for these quote-unquote off-road roof racks. Drilling it into place was absolutely the best move. It's solid. It doesn't move anymore. Makes for a quieter ride as well when you're off-roading and long distance traveling. So here we are packing it up. Just over 2.5 minutes. One thing I'm pleased with, which I'm sure is going to be similar to all the other products that are out there, is that it's got a slim profile. It's up against the vehicle pretty well. It's not made just for Jeep. This is for any roof rack. That's built onto the 4x4s. I'm sure you can attach these. It seems you'll have a way to attach these to maybe some off-road trailers. It does the job. It was $200. I got $200. Amazon product. Next time I'll be spending the money. Probably give this away to somebody. So that's it. Kind of a negative review there. They don't make it anymore. Like and subscribe. Roger that, USA. Easy stuff, no fluff. Thanks for watching.